morning. So today we are going to start the next topic about the holography. So this is a very interesting topic and to be taken care of. Holography basically it is made up of two words, holo plus graphy. So it is a Greek word which is made up of two words. So what does means holo and what do you mean by graphy? Holo means whole and graphy means complete recording. So that means holography means recording. So holography means complete recording of the object. So basically it is a process of recording the 3D pictures of the object. So if you have visited, any one of you have visited science cities, they had shown a 3D movies on the screen. When you bear some specs, some 3D pictures are being seen where the object appears to fall towards you. It appears the third dimension is coming towards you and that objects are being running and it appears they are coming towards you. So that is the formation of 3D image. So a lot of development has been made about the 3D pictures which are being coming out, which can be viewed with the help of special screen or special lenses to view the 3D image. So 3D image consists of, the holography consists of the 3D image. That means it records amplitude as well as the phase information. So basically this word has been generated from photography. In photography what we do, we take a object, illuminate with the help of light, and with the help of a camera we click the picture. So this source of light is used as ordinary lamp, sodium lamp or ordinary bulb which is being there, which exposed to the object reflected and the light goes in every direction. So this part of the light get lost into the surrounding, so that cannot be collected back. Right, major of the part will be whichever is being elected, so that is being captured by the camera and then it is being focused and then the picture is being taken out. So this is how the photography is being done. So in that photography only the amplitude of the picture is being recorded, amplitude. So no phase information can be recorded because information get lost during this part, information lost because that large part of the light has been gaused out. Second, the source of light is not highly monochromatic, so that means after scattering some part of the light is going to get lost. So that is called as a lost information. So that means only the 2D picture of the object is being recorded in the photography. So that means we want some advancement in it, that is amplitude and phase information should be recorded. I can give you one more example. Let us take a piece of ice. A piece of ice is being taken. So what happens, and when you put the piece of ice at room temperature, it starts melting it out. Melting it out means water will be flowing out from it. So when you click the picture with the help of camera and then with the help of a holography technique, so what will happen in camera, you will see, so only the ice is being melting it out and water is being flowing out. But in holography what is being seen, so there are different part of the phases which are being there and all these part are being shown into it, how the cracks are being taken, how the solid is being converted into liquid, all this thing is being shown in the record. Now let us discuss in detail about the holography. What is that holography technique and how the images are being shown and what are its application. So what is the principle of this holography? Now basic principle is of two-part. That is, first of all, this principle is based upon number one, recording of hologram, and second is reconstruction of the image. Now hologram is a special kind of plate where the information can be get stored. In photographic plate, in photography we used to take a photographic film where the information is going to be get stored. If that film is going to exposed into the air, that film get damaged. But hologram is a quite plate, quite a stronger plate where information cannot be lost because the information is being stored in this form of dots. So like this kind of dots. So when this plate is being exposed with the help of light, we can able to see the image. So in some of the books we have seen certain kind of holograms which are being made out. So that are the 3D stickers which are being made it out. So these 3D stickers which are being made on the book, So they are being like a holograms to make the information to be scarce, and all this information being recorded. So this is the kind of hologram which is going to be there. This part of the hologram is there, which is being sticker. If you expose it with the help of light, the company logo is going to be shown over here. Now, let us discuss in detail how the recording of the hologram is going to take place. So we have some different information. First of all, there is a mirror. This is a mirror, and then second is a hologram, which is called as photo plate, and let us say this is a object whose information we want to record it out. Let us say lamp is there, uh, which is being lightened, and we want to record the information of the object. So what we will use to take, we expose the mirror with the help of laser. So laser is being exposed, and that laser is allowed, after reflection from the mirror, it will fall on the hologram. This is a photographic plate. Now basically there are two beams which are going to be taken. Let me explain it in detail. Now another beam is going to be taken to the object, and after reflection it falls over here. So here the both the images, one coming from this, another coming from this, they allowed to be get interfered. So when the interference is being done, so the formation of the image is going to take place. So that means the laser beam is divided up into two parts. One is called as a object beam, other is called as a reference beam. So this part is called as a object beam, and this is called as a reference beam. So this the object beam eliminates the object whose hologram has to be recorded. Let us say we want to make the hologram of this. So the object beam eliminates this whole information of the object. Now next is the information which is going to come out from the mirror reflected beam. It reaches the photographic plate directly, and both the beams superimpose upon each other to produce the interface pattern on this plate, and this information is called as a hologram. So whatever the interface pattern is called as a, this is form is called as a hologram, which is being formed. So like our hologram developed is fixed and stored. So the information is fixed and stored. So that is the main part. So basically the photographic plate and hologram, they differ from each other. Photographic plate, once we take into the air, it get exposed, so once get damaged. But this hologram, if it get damaged, so from the smaller part of this hologram we can expose the huge information of this object. Second, more than one images can be information can be stored simultaneously, which I have shown you the in the hologram. Company logo as well as the code is being there, which has been shown in the hologram. So these two informations can be get recorded on the hologram. So that is how the information is going to be get stored. That is the first part. Now in the second part we will see that is how this reconstruction of the image, how to observe the reconstruction of the image. So how this image is being reconstructed means once the information is being stored, how we can see the two different images. Now let us say this is the hologram which we have developed it out from the previous recording. Now we explode it with the help of laser beam. Now this is called as a hologram, and this is recorded with the exposed with the laser beam. Now after that this hologram will be act like a diffraction grating. So basically diffraction grating is a plate when you expose it light, so different kind of pattern is being observed. So that is called a center, zero first order, second order to the either side, like this way. So this is called as the zero order, this is first order, this is first, this is second, and this is second. So that is a diffraction pattern which is used to occur in normal grating. So that means it act like a netting. So when the laser beam is exposed, so first of all at this one, zero order is shown. Zero order means actual picture of the object is being shown, and then the first order will go to this side as well as to this side. So this side, so this is this one. So that means this is go to the eyes where you can observe it, and here this is the picture of the object. whatever the lens we have recorded it out, and that information is being there. So that is the, and this information is called as a real image. And after that, after exposing to this real image, some other image is also being formed, that is called as a virtual image. So that virtual image means the image appears to be at this end as well as this one. So two images are going to be shown. One is real as well as the virtual image. So when you expose it with the help of light, so two different images are being shown it out. So this is how the reconstruction of the image is going to take place. So this is the complete details of the holography. So holography, we have seen the two parts of the image. Two parts are being there. One is the recording of the information, and second is the reconstruction of the image. So that means 3D pictures can be first of all stored on the hologram, and then the hologram is exposed, and then the information is going to be retrieved out back soon. So this information can be used in very details. Now applications of this holography. Now where we can able to use it out. Applications. Basically a lot of applications are there. Holography, basically doctors, medical applications are being used. Doctors use this technique to expose that smaller part of the object to a larger extent. The detailed picture of the neurons, smaller molecules which are very small size, when this 3D view is being seen, so that means it the complete exposure of the object is being seen, so they can able to make the surgery accurately, with great accuracy, and all this thing can be done out. So that means holographic cameras and holographic televisions, they are also being made out. We have seen latest 3D laptops are being also there. 3D movies are being shown in many of the cinemas with special islands are being available. So all these are being seen, which it gives a special kind of effect on your screen, and in recording information, and the image can be simultaneously more than lot of information can be recorded, and it can be exposed more to the light as compared to the other sources. So these are different various kind of applications where we can able to use this holography. So this was all about it. Thank you.